Hi, this is from Total Parts. Today with a 2007 Volkswagen Eos, stock number 6477. It's ran from the 2nd 2007 to 11th 4th 2010. There's a VWA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the VWA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door, 1 dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right boot lid, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door cone. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,